Alright people, this is the time. We're gonna make a cool little banana cookie with coconut and stuff, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna get all my ingredients ready, get that dessert going. It's gonna be really good, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. You're gonna see through the camera. That's right. I'm gonna get a new big bowl. I need to mash my potato, my banana. This, look at that. All these tools. There you go. Okay. Good. Roll, masher. Cool. Banana. So the banana you have to let it ripe. Ripe, because it's too green. It's going to be difficult to mash. All right. So I'm going to use that. You can use a fork, by the way. I can take a fork and show you. You can use that. You can use a fork. So let's see with the fork if it works. All right. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, so that's not bad. All right, cool. So I'm gonna mash it just like that. Really, really well. So of course, the more you mash it, the better it is. Yeah, you understand that? Cool stuff. Now, I'm gonna put some stuff, and I'm not gonna follow the recipe exactly because I'm gonna add something I really want to add in there before I put like a little bit of this pomegranate molasses. I know it's not in the recipe, guys. Just don't you worry about it. Nice, look at that. Ooh. Okay, so this is gonna be good. You know? Cool. All right. So it doesn't call for salt either, but I'm gonna put a pinch of salt. I always do that. All right. Now, coconut. Now I doubled the recipe. That's why I put 1 banana, 1.5 cup of this guy. So I'm gonna put 1/4 cup of hazelnut. The nuts from the hazel. 1/4 cup. Good. All right. And 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. 1 tablespoon. I think we're gonna be good. Boom. That's it. Pretty cool, huh? You mash everything and you go on a tray. Oven. Boom. My oven is ready, by the way. Look at that. Super cool, huh? Okay, now I have my stuff right here. I'm gonna use this tool. And I'm gonna make little balls. Let's see. Pack them a little bit, huh? Don't let them too. Perfect, look at that. So they have to hold. It can't break down. Okay, otherwise it's just gonna break down entirely in the oven. So make them, pack them. You can roll them, leave them the flat in the bottom, I don't care. You can add spices to that, whatever. So when you build the tray, you don't start to shove stuff like I just did. You start like this, just so you know. Okay, go on the outside first. And then, boom. Okay. And you keep going. Almost! Oh my god! No way, no way, no way. Oh my god, I make only 11 with that. That's crazy. 15 minutes. Great. 15 minutes. Alright. Good, I think we're done. Look at that. Perfect. Yep, done. Look at that. Beautiful stuff. Great. Perfect. Nice, done.